Welcome back to Officer Oil. My name's Scott McAdoo. When I'm not fighting crime, I'm fighting friction. Please, if you're new to the page, make sure you subscribe. We'd love to hear from you. Love those comments. So just got back from a great ride on the 2020 KTM 300 XCW TPI dirt bike. Absolutely love the machine. I've got a little over 127 hours on it. And something I've always wanted to do, and I've never done it, is I thought I would go ahead and install and put in a little bit of the AMSOIL Power Foam. Bike's still nice and hot. I'm still wearing my riding gear here. Okay, so I got everything, got the air filter clean, popped off. We're going to go ahead and spray that in. But the AMSOIL Power Foam here, this is a tune-up in a can for any 2 or 4 cycle engine. It's going to clean and remove all that gum, varnish, any of those deposits, help with that carbon buildup, improve startability, maximize fuel economy, horsepower, everything you're looking for. So if you're having carburetor problems and you're tired of ripping them off, get yourself a can of Power Foam and spray it in there and let this powerful foaming agent do its job. It is incredible. So many of my great clients, my tree and landscape companies, are thanking me every day because they don't have to take off carburetors anymore and have costly downtime and just scratching their head, pulling their hair out, all the above, because they just use the AMSOIL Power Foam here. All right, so let's go ahead and get this in here. We're going to get this installed and let the Power Foam do its job. All right, so got the air filter off. Okay, going to be coming right in there. Got to make sure we get past that temperature sensor sticking down there. You see that? But we're going to spray it right on in there. Okay. All right, here we go. Let's start it up. Yep, got to give it a little bit of gas. Get my RPMs up a little bit. And then let's saturate it out. All right, so gave it a couple shots of it in there and let it get all inside and coat itself in there and get that foam going and all those nooks and crannies. And then I just conked it out. I just saturated it so it would die out. And now we're going to start the stopwatch and let it run for let it sit there for about 10 to 15 minutes and work its magic to clean everything up. We'll be back in just a second. I can get this thing to autofocus, but you can see the foam sitting down in there. A little tough to see through on the flash here. But let me see. It's about as good as it's gonna get, I think. I apologize. But that foam is sitting in there on that, in the throttle body, working its magic, cleaning everything up. Okay, 15 minutes is up. The Power Foam's in there. It's doing its job. It's all cleaned up. Let's fire it up and blow out all those deposits. Here we go. There we go. Got a little bit of smoke now. That cleans let this thing keep running a little bit, and we'll keep blowing it on out. All right, so super easy AMSOIL Power Foam. Again, just let it sit, work its magic, let it sit for 15 minutes, and then run it up, build those RPMs up, blow out all those deposits. Doesn't hurt to maybe take it for a ride just to clean everything out so you get all that cleaner out of there. But super, super simple. Just think about how easy this would be for your carburetors, your two-stroke equipment, your handheld, your mowers, any of those things. Two-stroke, four-stroke. Great, easy, outstanding results. AMSOIL Power Foam right here. Now, if you're a do-it-yourselfer like me, working in the backyard, we've got an incredible program because you're probably wondering, how do I get my Power Foam? Super easy. Become an AMSOIL preferred customer. All right. It's a membership fee. It's a $10 6-month trial, or you can do 1 year for $20. You're going to save 25% off of our retail price, and we're going to drop ship it right to your doorstep. Free shipping, anything over $100. Plus, there's always promos and perks, perfect for DIY. If you have a fleet of dirt bikes, a fleet of KTMs, your landscapers, your tree companies, and you're looking to get an even bigger discount, we have an even better commercial fleet program for you folks out there. Click on that link below as well, and you can start saving 30% off, 30 plus with some volume discounts you can earn on top of that. Start saving that. Or if you want to get some AMSOIL in your retail store or in your repair shop, got a better program as well for you folks. So we're going to save you guys 30% off, plus earn some volume discounts or co-op credits depending upon how you get set up there. So if you're new to the page, again, please like, please subscribe. Want to hear your comments. Let me know what you think of AMSOIL Power Foam. Use it on all kinds of great things, but today I'm really happy I got the KTM all cleaned up there. Never done it, so figure what the heck, we'll clean up some of those carbon deposits, and we will look forward to seeing you next time. Officer Oil out. Thank you.